It's very important that we have close relationships with industry for tutorial, for training, for the research and also for innovation. It's very important that our future engineers know how to use the tools that they will have to use when they are in the industry.
At ISAE Group, we apply the competency-based approach. Our students must mobilize both internal resources provided by the teacher, but also external resources. We do all this with an industrial complex context. That means that we no longer give an isolated exercise to a student disconnected from the reality. In fact, we place our students in an industrial context. And for this, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform plays a key role because it permits us as a school to provide for the students complex and close to the industry environment.
The project that we have thanks to 3DEXPERIENCE helped me for my future job but also my actual job because I am a student but also an apprentice at Airbus Defense and Space, and I already work with 3DEXPERIENCE, so I already know how it works, but working with it at school helped me to develop new skills on different features. The most valuable features that I think I use every day is CATIA and DELMIA, because CATIA help us to design a prototype or, in my case, a satellite, and DELMIA help us to design the workflow assembly so we can see each step of the assembly of a satellite.
At ISAE Group, in our teachments, we are happy to use 3DEXPERIENCE because it brings a full solution. Students can create their own design and use directly them in simulation applications. They can do kinematic simulation, solid, fluid, dynamic simulations in a very short time. Another point is management of data from the teacher point of view. We can bookmark student data and share them between teachers and students, and even between teachers and industrials.
As a teacher, I'm in charge of the last year innovation project. The students must build their product from A to Z, and they learn to communicate with a digital twin. And this is very important to have a professional communication based on digital twin. Our students learn technical skills and also on soft skills.
I think the main advantage are remote access. I mean, any students can have access from any computer who can run 3DEXPERIENCE, of course. I believe it's a perfect tool for their today and tomorrow careers.
It's very important at two levels, research and student project, because we need real support to improve the skills of our students in the different projects during the 3 years of our school. And it's important for research because our research team had to improve their model, their idea on real problematic.
Thanks to 3DEXPERIENCE, it was more easier to work as a team since we have all the parts on the cloud, and it's really easier to discuss with the other member of the team and to see a global view of the project. I'm more confident to enter in the job market. It will help me as a future engineer to work on several projects on aviation.